Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos on one Instagram story. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now select Story. On the right hand side you'll see Layout. Tap on that. Here you will see the option to click multiple pictures. You can also select picture from your gallery by tapping on the blue plus icon on bottom left corner. I'll just select photos from my camera roll. Now I'll select 4 pictures from my camera roll. Now tap on the tick icon and you are done. Then tap on Send to on bottom right corner. Now tap on Share. And that's how you can add multiple photos on your one Instagram story. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.